Hi, welcome to Cash and Coins. So I want to tell you a way to retire with $1 million with what I think is the minimum effort. I'm going to show you a financial calculator where you can play with some numbers and find out the best path for you. I'm going to show you about ETFs. I'm going to show you about where you can get them, I-bonds. I'm going to also show you like E-Trade, high yield savings accounts. So first we'll go to Dinkytown Savings Calculators. On the savings calculators, we'll scroll down to the compare saving rates. Okay, and comparing the saving rates, we'll go ahead and enter our numbers. We'll start off with $25, as you see on there. And we'll do that for an amount of 40 years, as I already have entered there. And then every month we will add $200. Okay, 1.7 is what the APR is at Marcus. So we'll put that for your high yield savings. And now we'll put the 2.2, and this is what I-bonds are paying right now. Remember, you don't have to pay federal tax on those. And then finally, we're going to put the third one, which will be our 13.36, and this is from VOO, Vanguard ETF. And we'll get that put in there. Okay. And now we'll calculate it, and we will view the report. Now, this is a great little report. It gives you a lot of information. So if you look there on the first box there, it gives you for your 1.7 APR after 40 years. You see you make $137,000. Not bad. And then you see for your, if you were to do it in bonds, it would be about $153,000. Not bad there. But for your Vanguard VOO at 13.3, you will actually have $2.8 million. So let's scroll down and see what you'll have at 10 years. And at 10 years, you'll see 26,000, 26,000, and then 48,000. And then 20 years, we'll see 57,000, 60,000, and 217,000. Let's go on down to 30 years. 30 years, you'll see 93,000, 101,000, and then 809,000. Getting really close to $1 million there. So if you see at 32 years, you will hit your first $1 million. So not bad. But let's scroll on down to the 40 years. And in 40 years, you'll see there the 137 that I mentioned earlier, the 153, and the $2.8 million. Now that is at 13.36. And as I said, past results are not indicative of future results. So I want to go ahead and go to Vanguard so you can kind of get an idea of what's it like at Vanguard. All right, at Vanguard, you just go here and you can click that you want to invest in Vanguard ETFs. We know what ETF we're going to look for. So we'll click here. And then we can type in, well, we'll just scroll down to VOO so you can get an idea for that. Click on the S&P 500, which is your VOO, 13.36. Click on that so you can see the performance. We'll click on the price and performance tab. All right. This is the price right here, the current price as of today. And then we'll scroll down so I can show you $10,000, how fast it will grow and how much it will grow in 10 years. And then down here we have the 1 year, the average annual returns for 1 year, for 3 years, 5 years, and for just about 10 years right there, the 13.36. So as you can see, using the Vanguard funds, you can really do well, but you can use other companies also. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you did like what you saw, I hope that you click that subscribe if you haven't already done it. Hit the like button, leave some comments if you'd like, and share. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.
Please like and subscribe.